Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 2 Chapter 9 and the chapter name is Keeping Our Neighborhood Clean. Now before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members, and you can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, then ladders, then video games. You can read your book, you can complete your work which you got on online classes. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework also, and I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. Now, before eating your meal, breakfast, like any meal, please wash your hand properly and please don't talk with a stranger. Don't go outside. If it's emergency, then you can go outside, because we all know that we are in very pandemic situations like COVID-19. So it's a very difficult situations nowadays. So it's better that we can enjoy inside with our family members, and you can enjoy your online classes also. And once the school will open, then whatever the homework I am giving you on online classes, I want all that homework in your copy, and it should be in good handwriting and legible handwriting. And please use the dark pencil whenever you just start the chapter. Now whenever you start the chapter, so the headlines, the date, the chapter name, chapter is always there in your copy, only in first page whenever you will start any chapter, that first page. And because today I'm going to teach you chapter 9, so I hope that you guys had completed till chapter 8, objective wraps and question answer. So please complete on now also you have not completed, please start doing your work and you can complete. If you feel bored, then you can read your book also. You can write down so that your handwriting will improve. And once the school will open, because I have all the records, and you have to show me all the homeworks. Now here is what I'm here to teach you, like SST. So let's start the chapter. Now if you have the book, then please open and sit in front of me, and if you don't, then please purchase it as soon as possible. Now let's start the chapter. Now, keeping our neighborhood clean. We should always keep our neighborhood clean. Now what is neighborhood? That in previous class and in previous chapter also I have explained that what is neighborhood. So please memorize it, that what is that meaning. I have told you that neighborhood. So if you don't, then I'm just again repeating. So neighborhood means what? The area around our house. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. Is called our neighborhood. So we have to keep the near house areas clean. So this chapter we will see that how we can keep it clean. So let's go to the chapter. I am reading, you also read with me. A clean neighborhood makes us feel proud and happy. Yes, it's true, because if your neighbors is clean, if your colony is clean, then it makes you feel happy and good. It makes you feel happy, good and proud, and you can say very proudly that yes, I am living in that colony, and that area is what, that neighbor area is what, clean. So I am very proud that I am living in that colony. So that's why what we should always clean our neighborhood, because it makes us what? It makes us happy and to feel proud. It makes us happy and feel proud. We enjoy the peace and cleanliness. We enjoy the peace, means just a violence, and cleanliness of a good neighborhood. If the neighborhood is what? If the neighbor is clean, then we feel what? We feel proud and happy. In fact, we enjoy the peace moment and the cleanliness also of a good neighborhood. So always what? Always we have to keep our neighborhood clean. Next is a clean and green neighborhood. So here a topic is there, and the headline is what? A clean and green neighborhood. Green means what? That we should always keep our neighborhood greenery. Means that we have to what? We have to grow up always a green plant. That gives us what? That gives us the environment very clean, and it protects us, and it gives us a very good season. So that's why we always keep our neighborhood clean and green. So let's go to the chapter. Some people throw garbage outside their houses on the street. Yes, it's a very, in fact nowadays also it's doing that. Some people is what? Some bad people, they are what? They're just throwing the garbage on the street, their homes on their streets. Outside means outside of the home, on their streets, and it's a very bad habit, because it makes what? It makes the area very bad. It looks very bad, and we feel very bad. And in fact, so that what? We should always keep that all the garbage on the dustbin. So but some peoples are there that they are throwing their garbage outside the house, which just throw on the street. This is not the right things to do. Yes, exactly, it's not the right things to do. It's a very bad habit. It's a very bad habit, and it shows that how bad you are. So what? We should not always throw the garbage on the outside, on the street, because it's not a very right things that we are doing. It makes very bad, and it smell very bad, and make the environment very dirty. We should throw rubbish in bins. Means we should throw the garbage always in the dustbin. We should always throw the garbage, like the vegetable peels, like the stale food, whatever spoiled foods are there. So that all things we should throw it in the dustbin. That all garbage we should be throwing the dustbin. And give always the rubbish to the garbage collector. And it's the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, so that we should what? Always collect that garbage, and we should not throw out of the house on the street. We should what? We should always collect that rubbish, and we should give to the garbage collector. That every morning they are coming, and they are just collecting our garbage homes to home. They are just going the homes to home. They are just whistling, and they are just calling the people inside the house. And just the people, they are going outside, and then they are just whatever they are collecting the garbage, they are going to give the garbage collector. So every time, in fact always, some people are bad, so that's why they are throwing the garbage outside their house on the street, because we all know that it's not right the things to do. It's a very bad habit to do, and it makes the colony very bad, and it makes the people ill also. So that we should what? We should always throw the rubbish in the dustbin, the garbage in the dustbin, and give that all dustbins, whatever we are collected on our homes, that we should always give to the garbage collector. That always should give to the garbage collector. So because they are coming, and then just they are collecting the garbage. See, picture is there also in page number 47. In fact, nowadays also you can see that they are coming, and they are just whistling, and they are just collecting all the garbage. So that's why we should not throw the garbage on the street. It makes the colony very bad, and it looks very bad also. Now the next line and the next topic that I will I will explain you in the next video, means in video 2, lecture number 2. So please guys watch the lecture number 2, and whatever the homework I am just giving you, please you go through the you go through the website, and you can collect your homework, and then you can complete it in your fair copy. Thank you, and have a nice day.